This video is proudly brought to you by Beaudazzled, the home of dazzling beauty and conscious minds.
Hey guys, my name is Amy Sock. I'm the makeup artist here at Beaudazzled, also known as Amy Sock Makeup on Instagram. Today I'll be showing you how to create this dramatic green and gold cut crease. Starting with the brows, I'm just going to follow the shape of the bottom, then draw a line at the top just to act as a guide when filling it in. I'm using a medium brown brow pomade on an angled detailer brush to do so. Using a spoolie, lightly brush the front of the brows just to give that gradient effect. Then with a lighter concealer, also following the shape just to carve and define the brows even further. I'm using the flat to finer brush to blend out the concealer. With the same concealer, blend it into the eyelids to act as an eye primer for the eyeshadows to stay on all day. I'm blending it with the foundation brush. I'm setting the concealer with powder using the Conceal Perfector. Tape the eyes, directing it just below the tail of the brow. Starting with Cosette's Infinite Matte Eyeshadow in the shade Gardot, blend the transition shade above the crease using the eye crease brush. Then apply Mystic to the outer edges with the blending eyeshadow brush, also lightly blending it to the top of the crease. To give it more depth, apply a jet into the corners using the large shader and blending it with the blending eyeshadow brush. I am cutting the crease using a gold glitter liquid eyeshadow, making sure to stop at 2/3 of the lid. Just where the glitter ends, use bar dot to blend both the glitter and the shadows together, ensuring that there are no harsh lines. With the large shader brush, apply jet once again because sometimes black can fade when you're blending it in with other shadows. Here I'm using the Precise Blend Eyeliner brush in a black gel liner to draw a thin line closest to the lash line. Once you have filled it in, you can thicken and extend the liner to your desired shape. The sticky tape is an easy way to determine the perfect angle for your wing. Remove the sticky tape and all the eyeshadow fallout with a wet wipe to prepare for lashes. With my fingers, I'm just applying these dark and thick wispy lashes, making sure to stay closest to the lash line as possible. With her face already moisturized and primed, I'm using Ofra's Absolute Cover Silk Peptide Foundation in the shade 2 and buffing it into the skin with the Flawless Foundation brush. This foundation is perfect for breakouts or oily skin because it is water-based. Water-based foundations are lighter and less harsh on the skin in comparison to one that is oil-based. However, to keep your foundation lasting all day, make sure to use a water-based primer and moisturizer as well, just because water and oil separates. Also blend out the foundation into the hairline and the jawline so there are no harsh edges. Using a foundation shade lighter than the rest of her face, I am patting Ofra's foundation with the foundation brush. This foundation is medium to full coverage, so it can act as a concealer to remove any eye bags or imperfections seamlessly. Then using a beauty sponge to pat the setting powder under the eyes to ensure that the foundation does not crease. Also apply powder in the areas that tend to get oily throughout the day, such as the T-zone. With the contouring brush, start by bronzing the edges of her face and making your way to the cheekbones and blending it into the foundation. If you don't have a nose contouring brush, you can use the same contouring brush by gripping the hairs and drawing lines on the edges of her nose. Highlight the tip and the bridge of the nose with a tapered crease brush. Also applying it into the inner corners just to brighten up the eyes. Going in with Gouda once again and applying it under the eyes using the tapered crease brush. Then tightlining the outer corners with Jet to open up the eyes. Here I'm just lining and filling in the lips with a nude brownish lip pencil. To finish off the look, highlight the cheekbones using the Conceal Perfector. Hope you've enjoyed this dramatic green cut crease tutorial. If you want to see more tutorials like this, please like and subscribe to our channel or comment down below what you'd like to see next. Also, don't forget to follow us on all our social media, Facebook, Instagram and Pinterest at Bedazzled Beauty and Twitter at Bedazzled1. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in my next video.